A loving spirit, a caring mother, and the fourth frontline worker to die of COVID-19 in Alberta. Rose Vandelannoite passed away this Sunday, and her daughter hopes it brings change, sharing a statement read by a friend and colleague.
For over 45 years, she has cared for many people and ended up losing her life for only wanting to help. My mom is a healthcare hero.
By all accounts, Rose followed COVID-19 guidelines. Colleagues saying she always reminded them about the dangers of the pandemic.
From the front and make sure that everyone has the proper PPE protection on them.
At the Sherwood Park retirement residence where Rose was a healthcare aide. Alberta Health telling City News this was likely where Rose caught COVID-19 in early December. At the time, the facility was one of many outbreaks in Alberta. This one contained a staff.
Just a number. As the death tolls continue to rise, they're not just a number. Rose was not a number. She was my friend. And I'm mad that she died. And we have to make sure and do whatever we can to drive change.
Rose's union joining labor leaders in calls for better worker pandemic protection, like mandatory paid sick leave or isolation pay to frontline workers outside of the federal pandemic supports. Rose was 63 and had asthma and diabetes.
I'm heartbroken, like my heart is so broken now.
Rose's close friend and colleague, Nanu Sumay, was there in her final moments, saying it was difficult to see someone who took every precaution with COVID-19 to catch it, even through PPE.
Healthcare worker to go through what Rose did just because she was there to care about others.
Grief counseling being offered to those at this retirement residence impacted by Rose's death. Now, for her daughter, she hopes by sharing her story, this helps others realize the importance of taking pandemic precautions seriously, as well as the importance of protecting the front line. From Sherwood Park, Carly Robinson, City News.